And for 9 wonderful years, I worked for NYANA, the New York Association of New Americans, as a volunteer, helping the Refuseniks from the former Soviet Union to find work in the United States.
This was in the 1970s and 80s? Or?
This was, yeah. It was wonderful. It was like I was meeting all my cousins. The strange thing about it was that they didn't understand, because they had been raised to escape from Judaism. They didn't understand why I was there. And they would constantly ask me, why are you doing this? And I would try to explain, this is Jews helping Jews. No sale. Well, the world has been fairly good to me. I wanted to give back. No sale. They decided among themselves that I was part of a government plot. I would help them get good jobs, they would pay high taxes, and I would get a percentage. I loved it. It gave us a chance to really connect, because otherwise I was, too far above, away from them. I didn't realize the respect they had for the person at the head of the room with the chalk in his hand. They gave me an honorary PhD. I became Dr. Zuckerman in all the classes that I ran. It was wonderful. It sapped a great deal of energy, but it was 9 years of learning about a culture that my family had left behind. But these were brilliant people. And while my mother and father saw no future for themselves, but their kinder should enjoy the fruits of America, these people had 1 or more PhDs, and I couldn't see them wasting their lives and their talents so that their children could benefit.